This tutorial will be going over how to monitor an IP address with Server Monitor. Navigate to servermonitor.org and either log in with an existing account or register an entirely new account. Once you are logged into Server Monitor, navigate to the Servers tab on the left-hand side of the screen and press the Monitor Server button. Select the IP address option and give your server a nickname and an IP address to start monitoring. Finally, press the Monitor Server button in green, which is located at the bottom of the pop-up. Congratulations for following through with the tutorial.